for 13 at the MCG.
And Matthew Wade, a former under-19 teammate of Jackson Bird, takes his first catch off his former teammate. It's up in there, this will be out. Bird will have wicket number 2. Straight after lunch, can you believe it? Samaraweera's gone for an expansive hook shot and skied the simplest catch to David Warner.
It's hard to play. There's life in the pitch with the new ball.
Oh, got him. Bird's got him. A duck. They're 3 for 3. The debutant strikes again.
And he's done it with swing.
Close, very close. Yes, he's gone. He's got him. Bird strikes again. It's 4 for 13, and what a debut by this young man. What an effort.
Well, they might review it simply because of the desperation of the situation.
That's out. It's out. It's pitched outside, but hit him in line with middle and leg, going on to hit leg. And because that decision was given out anyway, that ball would have had to miss those stumps totally for it to be reversed in review. So, Samaraweera is now gone. Wow, LBW Bird, he's got 4 in his Test match career.